For nearly 50 years, since the establishment of courtesy relations in 1976, the relationship between Vietnam and the World Health Organization has continuously been strengthened and expanded through numerous cooperation programs, technical support activities, escape building projects, and institutional development initiatives. WHO has closely accompanied Vietnam in many key areas such as disease prevention, control, management of communicable and non-communicable disease, implementation of the SPECT program of immunization, development of healthcare system, training human resources, formulation of health policies, healthcare financing, and health insurance. During the COVID-19 pandemic, WHO provided Vietnam sustainable and timely support in terms of medical equipment, healthcare supply, professional conservation, and policy guidance, particularly through the provision of COVID-19 vaccine under COVAX facility. Not only during the pandemic, WHO has also continued supporting countries, including Vietnam, in strengthening disease survivor prevention and emergency preventive capacity. At the same time, the organization has promoted global health and government aimed at expanding equity access to medical products, especially by supporting developing countries enhancing their manufacturing capabilities. This efforts help countries better prepare for future epidemics and public health agencies. In addition, in response to increasing several nature disasters and food that have recently caused significant damage to people in Vietnam, WHO has been among the first international organizations to provide timely assistance for recovery efforts. Emergency aid has included water, purification tablets, vaccine, medical kits, and devastation spraying equipment, contributing to ensuring sanitation and safety of affected communities and controlling the risk of disease outbreak after natural disaster. Thank you for listening.